Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing really well and the preparations are going fine. So this video would be more inclined towards my experiences and mistakes that I had done which had led me to score very less marks in the taxation paper. So let's begin without any delay. Okay, so the very first mistake of mine and the major one was limited coverage. Now in direct tax especially, when you cover only specific chapters, although they may carry high weightage and all, but if you just cover specific chapters, even if they're more than 50%, but not you are not covering 100% chapters, then you may face a problem because everything is interconnected. Even if the question is given of house property, it's like majorly of house property or majorly of salaries, still it's asked to compute the total income and other details are also given. So like say suppose for example I had done house property and I had left certain other chapters and I had completed other chapters. So because of that, the questions were interrelated, so you need to have knowledge of other chapters as well. No matter 80% question is related to the one specific chapter, but then the 20% question also includes some part from the other chapter as well. So if that is not clear, the one chapter which you had learnt is not going to help you at any cost. So yeah, this is the thing in DT which is very important and you have to keep in mind. It would be bit okay if you do specific coverage in or the limited coverage in GST, because there sometimes like it's the chapters are separate. It's not always interconnected. Questions are not always asked including parts from other chapters, but in direct tax it is there. In each and every question you will not only find just one chapter, you'll find like it's a combination of so many chapters. It's deduction, loss, property and everything. So yeah, I would suggest not to go for specific coverage, especially in direct tax. Now the second mistake I did was, like, I don't know मैं हमेशा ऐसी mistake क्यों करती हूँ, why I always repeat it. I predict on the basis of ABC analysis and that's so much wrong. So in direct tax मैंने क्या किया था ना, because mine was January attempt, so I had this thing in mind. Okay, considering the previous attempts papers, I had this thing in mind कि एक salary का question full fledged तो आता ही है. So I'll do one thing, मैं salary chapter बहुत thoroughly याद कर लूँगी अच्छे से, so that at least I'll grab those marks. जितने भी वो 5 to 6 marks का आता होगा उतने पूरे के पूरे marks I'll grab. And that was the biggest mistake. क्योंकि आया ही नहीं था मेरे अटेम्प्ट में सैलरीज का क्वेश्चन. मतलब हर अटेम्प्ट में जो आता था पहले सैलरीज का इंडिविजुअल क्वेश्चन, दैट टू अ फुल फ्लेज्ड क्वेश्चन. In my attempt it wasn't there. Like the salaries part, like a bit of the salaries part was included in that compulsory PGBP wala question. So I was really very shocked. Never go for prediction. Never even set a pattern in your mind based on previous attempts, because you don't know if that's gonna come in the next attempt or not. Third mistake. So dumb of me to think that only by solving module illustrations and back questions I'll be able to score good marks. एक तो वैसे ही I did limited coverage in direct tax, the biggest mistake. And जो chapters जो मैंने cover किए थे उनके भी I solved only module के illustrations and practice questions and I was good to go. And I thought it's okay, at least module के illustrations back questions कर लिए. No, I mean I should have solved so many questions from previous attempts or the RTP or mock test papers, because how can I forget this basic point that in a practical subject you have to give efforts, you have to practice more. But I only solved the module question and I thought that I'll grab marks from it. Now the last mistake, this was also very important. So I don't know about other subjects, but a vast subject like taxation, you should have short notes or last time notes. Okay, मेरे को ऐसा एग्जाम में हुआ था कि देयर वर सर्टेन थिंग जो मैंने पढ़ रखी थी बहुत अच्छे से और बहुत मल्टीपल टाइम्स उसको रिवाइज भी किया हुआ था, बट प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आई, क्योंकि मैं लास्ट जो 1.5 डेज थे उसमें मैं उस चीज़ को टच नहीं कर पाई. बाय बिकॉज मैंने उसके कोई शॉर्ट नोट्स नहीं बनाए थे, तो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था. short notes very important, especially for direct tax, because वो बहुत vast है, उसको हम 1.5 days में cover कर ही नहीं सकते. तो short notes is most important, जो कि मैंने नहीं बनाए थे, जिसकी वजह से मैं भूल गई थी, आते हुए भी भूल गई थी. I could have grabbed marks but नहीं हो पाया. So yes, सो दीज वर माई मिस्टेक्स एंड येस आई एक्सेप्ट कि ऐसी मिस्टेक्स के साथ तो फिर कैसे ही मार्क्स आएंगे, ऑब्वियसली नहीं आ सकते हैं, बट आई विल बी गिविंग सेप्टेम्बर अटेम्प्ट. आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट टू इम्प्रूव सच मिस्टेक्स, और अगर तब भी नहीं होता है तो पता नहीं, बट हाँ, I just wanted to share what I did wrong. Thank you so much for watching my video.